this placemaking plan is a part of a 5-year process. So the first part we're doing now with the facelift, then shown in the plan of 2 priorities next is to do up the square, the town square here, which we hopefully will move them from one memorial and make this more like cosmopolitan cafeteria sort of people to stay, and also have market stalls on the Thursday's market, and if we can we go to Saturday as well to have a market day. And then the second part is to upgrade the car park, the wetlands and Cafodd, increase the car park. We need more car parking space already, and we're hoping to put about 30 or 40 extra spaces, upgrade the wetlands, and there's a pump track there because we want to make Lanfyllin a centre of excellence for the cycling community. We have Revolution in Llangynnog just opening up again. Now we have the pump track down here, and we're going to doing a project in the high school as well, in Ysgol Lanfyllin, which will be part of the curriculum as well for mountain bikes, etc. Very impressed how many of the public came to the open evenings in the institute. It was a fantastic turnout and giving their ideas and what they want. It was a good process, and hopefully we've come to what everybody thinks we need. We won't please everybody, but we've done the main things everybody wanted really in the car park, and what we put forward since then, we showed the plan what the ideas were, and everybody's very pleased with it so far. Very important to engage with the public. It's their town. This is what they want, and all the local people want the town to be busy. They love to see a busy town, and so this is a process to keep bring Lanfyllin into the fore and make it busy. And as I said before, footfall.